Here I'll be guiding you guys on how to get CDKeys discount code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up CDKeys discount code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna go ahead and click on the second website, coupon follow, and you're gonna click on it. So once you're on this website, you're gonna see the company's logo on the top left, and you're gonna see many codes as well. So for example, the first code is get up to 30% off. So you can just click on that and you're gonna get the code EUR. So all you have to do is click copy, which is gonna copy the code, and then you can click redeem at CDKeys, which is gonna take you to their website. There you can choose your products you wanna buy, and you can use this code at checkout and hopefully get a 30% off. There are many other codes, for example, a 5% off, 10% off. So let's go ahead and try to use this 10% off. So this is a code for a 10% off. So it's uses the same process. You're gonna copy and paste it at checkout. So you can go ahead and give all of these a try. Let's say one of these 5% doesn't work. There are many others you can give a try. So there's another 5% here. There's another 5% on the top somewhere here. There you go. So you can go ahead and give all of them a try and see which one works. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to Daily Mirror. It's also another good website. So once you're on the website, you're gonna see a code. So for example, the first one is get 5% off Commandos 2, and it's a game, so you can get discount in these games. So you can just click on and this is a discount extra 5. So all you have to do is click copy, go to store, and use this at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.